Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today I am giving you a competitive questions. Very important, very interesting question. If 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n. This is 27. 27 to the power n. Okay, this is 27. Inside this bracket, it is 27. 27 upon 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3. This is equal to 1 upon 27. Prove that n will be equal to 1 plus n. This is to be proved. These are competitive questions. Now going solution. 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n upon 3 to the power n m 3n 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3. This is the left hand side. Okay, this can be written as 9 to the power n can be written as 3 to the power 2n, because 9 is equal to 3 to the power 2, and that 2 will get multiplied by n. It can be written as 3 to the power 2n in place of this 9. Now this is 3 to the power 2 as such, this is 3 to the power n as such, minus this 3 to the power 3 whole to the power n. Okay, upon 3 to the power 3m remains same, no change at all. 2 to the power 3, no change at all. Now these all are the powers on the base 3. Hence we can say this can be written as 3 to the power and in the multiple, so that these power will be added. On single base, these 3 can be converted. They all three are all these 3 terms having the base 3 and power 2 and 2n in the 2n and in the form of product, so that this can be written as 2 times n plus n. It means 3 times n plus 2. These power will be added. 2n plus 2 plus n is equal to 3n plus 2 minus this is, because this is inside the bracket, so that it get multiplied by this is 3n. Okay, upon 3 to the power m will remain same, no change at all, 3m into 2 to the power 3. Okay, now from this we can take 3n as a common. It can be written as, this can be written as 3n can be taken as a common. 3 to the power 3n can be written as common in numerator, and we'll get inside the bracket only 3 to the power 2 inside. 3 to the power 2 minus 1 upon 3 to the power 3m remains same, no change, into 2 to the power 3. Now 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. And this is 9 minus 1, this is 8. It means this 8 get cancelled with this 8. We will simply get 3 to the power n. This will be equal to 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3m. Okay, that was equal to right hand side equal to 1 by 27. 1 by 27 can raise 3 to the power 3. Okay, it means now we are having this 3 to the power n upon 3 to the power 3n upon t to the power 3m is equal to 1 upon 3 to the power 3. Okay, this is the real form. All the powers are in the form of 3. This can be written, इसको ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, इसको ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, 3 to the power 3 n minus m is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Now base is same, power will be equal. It means 3 times n minus m is equal to minus 3. Divide कर दीजिए, n minus m will be equal to minus 1. It means m उस साइड जाए तो n minus 1 is equal to m. This is proved. This one will get positive, proved. This was the solution. Okay? Is it clear here? This is 3 to the power n plus 2. फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं 3 to the power n. This can be written as, इसको लिखा जा सकता है 3 to the power 2n. 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power n remains same. 3 to the power 3 into n, that is 3 to the power 3n हो गया. इसका ये n और ये n ऐड होगा, 3n plus 2 हो गया. डिनोमिनेटर में कोई चेंज नहीं किया. 3 to the power n कॉमन ले लिया तो इस साइड यहाँ 3 to the power 2 बचेगा और 1 बचेगा. 3 to the power 2 minus 1 is equal to 8 हो जाता है और ये 2 to the power 3 भी 8 हो जाता है तो ये कैंसिल हो जाता है. तो हमारे पास 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3m बचता है. 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3m बचता है. That is left hand side. Right hand side it was given 1 by 27, which can be written as 1 upon 3 to the power 27. Hence all the power are converted on the same base. 3 to the power 3n minus this will go upward. 3 is taken common, n minus m is equal to 3 to the power minus m. Now base is same, so that n minus m can be written as 3 to n minus m is equal to minus 3. It means n minus m is equal to minus 1. It means m will go this side, 1 will get the left hand side, n plus 1 is equal to m. This is proved. Okay? Keep enjoying my video. I think you like it. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Good night. Good luck for you. Thank you. Good night.